The Cummins-Onan standby power system employs a transfer switch to constantly monitor incoming voltage from utility power to the home. When voltage falls to less than 85% of nominal, or fails entirely, the standby power system automatically begins a startup sequence. First, the transfer switch waits for 1 second. If utility power has not returned, it sends a signal to start the generator. The generator is at proper operating speed after 2 seconds. The transfer switch pauses another 3 seconds before transferring power from the utility to the generator. The sequence of operations from the time of the power outage to when auxiliary power is connected usually occurs in 6 seconds. This ensures that the generator and transfer switch are only activated when needed. The transfer switch senses when utility power is restored to the home and monitors it for acceptable voltage for 5 minutes. It then transfers power back to the utility source and automatically disconnects the generator source. The generator is now offline, but will operate for another 5 minutes to cool down properly. After the cool down cycle is complete, the generator is automatically turned off and reset to standby mode. For more information, contact your Cummins-Onan dealer or visit www.cumminsonan.com.